Hey, we are Sam and Kelly. We live in our self-converted van, traveling and making memories for now instead of waiting for tomorrow. This week we are in sunny San Diego, California for a special appointment, some mistakes, and as always, good times. Come along. Welcome back to a new video. We're here in San Diego. We've already had such a nice day. We went to Petco Park for a baseball game for Sam's birthday. That was his present. And now we are parked at Fiesta Island. There's a beautiful sunset behind me. We're so excited to be here and be back on the road. Is someone using our new closet?
Someone is.
Oh my gosh, look at these handles. This is one of those recipes where I really don't know what I'm doing, but we have limited ingredients, so I'm going for some kind of pasta salad vibe. So I wish I had like fresh herbs to add to this because it would be so good, but pretty much like if you had some dried ones, use that. Salt and pepper, za'atar, just kind of go back. Now for the salad part of the pasta salad. Oh my god, these little ducks over there are having like a date night.
You know, whoever makes the dinner doesn't have to do the dishes. So since I did not make dinner, I am on dish duty.
Don't we love that rule?
So, as amazing as it would be to sleep here tonight at this amazing spot, we have to leave, like, right now.
Trevor's getting his comfy pants on.
Yeah, he is.
So Fiesta Island in San Diego, which we just were, is a beautiful inlet with miles and miles of beach land. Back in the day, you could car camp there overnight, but San Diego changed its rules and they just no longer allow people to sleep there anymore. They will knock on your door and make you leave. So we have chosen another spot for the night. In general, when you do see van people, especially on Instagram, posting that they're sleeping at the beach, a lot of times, unless you're in Baja, it's probably like they spent all day there and then they slept somewhere else that's maybe not as beautiful. But that's what we are doing tonight, and then get ready for bed because we have a really big day tomorrow. We have a special appointment, let's say, tomorrow that we've had in our calendars for quite some time, and it's kind of the main reason we came back to San Diego. Pajamas. Woo! I can't relate to people that wear cute pajamas every single night. If you're not still wearing your college t-shirt from many, many years ago to bed, then what are you doing? Top of the morning to ya.
Morning.
We're on our way to one of our favorite coffee shops in SC. Are you a matcha or a coffee person? Which one do you think I ordered?
I want the left. So I don't know if this is interesting or not, but since we moved back into the van, we've actually been going through the front doors more than the sliding door. So just feel like it's not necessary to open our entire house to the public, but it's a little thing we've been doing.
Let's go, girls. One of our favorite things to do in San Diego is just park and walk along the beach. Right now we are at Jolla Shores, and we love Jolla Shores because there's so much to see here. There's like scuba divers, surfers, bonfires happening, and there's a huge parking lot for our van, which we love.
And a bunch of public bathrooms and public showers, which is also a huge plus.
Sometimes some of our favorite places, including San Diego, there's nothing crazy about them. There's just a lot to see and walk around and be outdoors in, which we just love to do. You just stepped in a cactus.
Oh my god.
Do you see that? Oh. Sam just backed up right into this cactus right here. He said he looked very carefully. I don't know about that.
Ow.
Now you gotta put your foot up. I gotta nurse it. Nurse it back to health.
This is helping me so much.
Is it?
No.
Wait, which one of us was supposed to bring Sunny?
Run.
As you may or may not have noticed, we do not have our Sunny boy with us, Antonio Luigi Bonaducci III. So my parents have offered to keep Sunny in their presence. This is what he's doing right now, because this is just a short little trip to San Diego, and we have never been in the van without Sunny. The real reason why we are in San Diego, which is our engagement photo shoot. We've had this in the books for months. We've been really excited. We love our photographer. We can't wait to see her again today. And we gotta get prepped for our photo shoot because Sam has a very unique way of getting ready for events. Feel good?
Feels great.
So is that about your whole routine?
Yeah, that's all I do really. Hopefully it works out well. If not, I got this sea salt spray. Let's get that curly hair going, you know?
So that's Sam's routine, but I am going to take a proper shower. Towel, please. Thank you. How amazing is this? We have a mirror now, so we can actually get ready with a full body.
Yes, I actually can now know what I look like.
We're trying to find parking for part 2 of me getting ready for our engagement shoot in a couple of hours. It's harder than we think to find parking for this big old thing. Okay, we're all done. My hair is done. That was actually super fast. And we already made it to the beach that we are going to do our photo shoot at. This is La Jolla Beach. It's just down the road a bit from Jolla Shores that we were at this morning, and it's an overcast day, which I believe is better for photos anyways, so that's good. And we have some hours to kill. We are quite early, so we are going to get some work done on our computer. Okay, I was getting hangry, so it's time to make a little snack. Was I getting hangry?
Yes.
Okay, confirmed. Now some cashew butter. Sorry guys, quick
intermission.
Intermission, I flung some cashew butter on me.
Taste test. Te gusta?
Really good. Oh my god, Antonio!
Wait, what is he?
Antonio! We got a candle.
A little bit.
We have the door open.
And now.
We cleaned up. Ooh, some sea salt spray. Oh yeah. We're getting ready for our shoot.
We have some CBD droppers. So Kelly, I've never actually used this, but Kelly's been using this a lot. So I just had some to kind of relax myself before the photo shoot. Tasted really good.
Down the gullet. We cleaned up for 2 people that live in a vehicle. I think we look pretty good.
Yeah. You look freaking gorgeous, baby.
Thanks, babe. So I have an outfit change, but we'll show you that when we take our photos. Also, since we cleaned up this entire van and renovated it and bought new stuff for it, I think we need to do like a 25-second new van tour.
Let's do it.
Because it just smells and feels so fresh. Let's start in the front. We have a new foot mat right here. We have our closet. We're going to be putting plants right here, but we haven't settled on which ones. We have our strawberry handles. Here's what it looks like when we open it on both sides. We have a new rug. Then we have our kitchen with my favorite candle burning right now. It's so clean. We have a new mug to replace the broken one. This actually was handmade from a ceramicist in Baja, so that's pretty awesome. New artwork, brand new cleaned cushion covers. The first time we've done it since we've moved in. Don't judge us, but it really freshens up the place. It looks amazing, and obviously the ocean views don't hurt, but I'm just so happy that this is our home, and being back in it after changing it up, like small changes feel so big in a tiny space, and I just love it. And we'll let you know at the end of this video where our next big road trip is. Okay, Kelly, we can do you want to put maybe your, like, oh yeah, kinda, for sure. Oh, you guys!
It looks like it's like light blue.
Also, we can be crazy if you want.
Whatever you want to do.
Okay, we're done with the shoot and we're on our way to dinner at Noodle House OB, which is in Ocean Beach, San Diego, and we've heard amazing things from locals and tourists, so I'm extremely excited. We're both very hungry. It's already 8 o'clock right now at night. The shoot went really well. Sam was killing it with the looks and the poses. He's got it covered, and it was super fun. We were playing Mamma Mia music in the back, which is my favorite, and now we're just trying to find parking for our van because that seems to be a common problem.
Look at this incredible parking I just pulled off. That's like a freaking book right there, right?
Backside.
Pretty damn good, I think.
That's amazing.
First tee.
Honestly, Sam does kill it at Peril every single time. I could never. Off to dinner.
So excited. I literally could eat Kelly. I'm so hungry. So we just got back from the Noodle House. That was crazy. That was like a freaking rave night party bar noodle house. It was crazy. I've never really eaten noodles in that type of environment before.
Yeah, I was like, I'm just trying to eat my noodles, but there was like rave music going on. It was kind of a vibe.
There was a girl that might have been on drugs that touched the camera and everything like that. It was definitely, and like she kept staring into my soul. So it was definitely an experience. If you're in OB, we recommend it. It was really good food. But we are going to make the bed and then go to our spot for the night. It's been a full day.
My nightcap is a kiwi. We have a few more days in San Diego, but we're going to end the video here because the next couple of days are work days. But if you want more content from us and more things to scroll right after you watch this video, we just launched a Patreon. So basically what Patreon is, it's an amazing place to support your favorite creators like Sam and I, and basically in return you get extra content from us. So we are going to share photos from our camera roll that we would not share anywhere else.
Nowhere.
Behind the scenes footage, and we will update you first on all of our travels and where we are headed. And when we make travel guides, they will go exclusively on Patreon as well. So we would so appreciate your support over there. It would mean the world to us.
Every cent helps us stay on the road.
We love doing this life so much, and we couldn't do it without all of you who are supporting us out here.
In our last video, we mentioned that we were going to let everyone know what our next big road trip is. And without further ado, Kelly?
We're going up the Pacific Northwest,
Woo!
the PNW, and we have never been there before, so if you have suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We cannot wait to scroll through them and plan our trip coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We post videos every single Sunday, and we can't wait to see you here next Sunday. Bye, friends!
Bye!